Hello, friends. Today we're introducing JusticeSphere, Pakistan's first comprehensive AI law application. This app provides all the essential legal tools in one place for lawyers, judges, and law students. Its biggest strength is that it's AI-powered, giving you answers aligned with Pakistani law. You'll also get instant precedent search, automated document drafting, and a smart case management system. In short, it makes both law practice and research much easier. Now let's see how to create an account on JusticeSphere. First, you'll need to fill in your basic account details: email, username, phone number, password, confirm password, and select your account type. If you're a lawyer, you'll need to enter your bar counsel ID. If you're a judge, you'll need to enter your judicial ID and select your court. For students, only enrollment details are required. Remember, none of the features will work until your account is activated. For activation, you'll receive an activation code. The steps to redeem this code are listed on our website. Once you have got your code, open the JusticeSphere app. Click on your profile in the top right corner, then go to Settings and open Subscription. There, under Enter a Code, type your code and press Redeem Code. That's it. Your account is now activated. Now let's quickly look at the sidebar features. First, we have Precedent Search, where you can instantly find relevant precedents for any case. Next is Document Creation. This AI tool helps you draft contracts, petitions, and affidavits. The Research Assistant feature conducts instant research for your legal questions and provides updated references. Case Management helps you track your clients, hearings, and deadlines. And finally, we have the Deposition Assistant, which organizes witness statements into a structured format ready for court. So friends, that was a quick walkthrough of JusticeSphere, Pakistan's first AI-powered law application. Now both law practice and research are at your fingertips, all through a single app.